So if you wait a second, look, you get them printed out. I'll show you. Anywhere you want in the middle of the deck. I'm gonna find your card in less than a second.
All right, this would be the card.
King of
Yeah, this is the
spades.
card.
Now you get to do it. You get to learn it. You want to learn it?
Yes.
Is that right? We're here at a law firm in LA. We're gonna go find some lawyers and go blow their minds with a little bit of magic. It's actually inside the corner that I just ripped off.
What is going on?
So confused.
You want to learn a card trick right now?
Yes,
So
absolutely.
We'll teach you one, and then we'll give you the chance to perform for some people. Take literally any card that you want out. Perfect. I'm going to look away. You're going to memorize that card. Fantastic. I want you to slide it anywhere you want in the middle of the deck. I'm going to find your card in less than a second. Ready, set, and every card is face up except for one card.
Uh-oh. All right, this
There
would be
we
the
go,
card.
King of
Yeah, this is the
spades.
card. I want to see
Now
this.
you get to do it. You
I
get to
wanna
learn
see
it.
this.
You want to learn
Yes,
it?
yes.
Fantastic. It's super, super simple in the sense of it uses basic misdirection and a couple moves with cards. Okay, so you want to hold them in your hand like this. Essentially what you do is you're going to only flip over the bottom card. What you're actually going to do is you're going to flip over the entire deck. So while I say show the card to everybody, while you're doing that, all I'm doing is this.
Okay.
Just grip it and push it in. And so now you have their card face down, the entire deck face up, except for that one card. All you do now is you put it behind your back, just flip over that top card, and you bring it back up. You wanna practice it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So, pick a card, any card. And you can, remember the card, but be sure to not let me see it.
Okay, got it.
And I would like you to just place the card back into the deck here. And I'm gonna tell you what your card was. I'm gonna just have it here, and we're gonna go through the cards here. Hopefully I have this right. And
Yeah, I think you did it right.
yeah, I flipped it back. I think I flipped it back. Oh yeah, I did this wrong. But is this my
Yes,
answer
that was
card?
it. That was
Okay, okay. I'm a better lawyer than a magician. Let's do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's pick a card, any card in here. I'm gonna have you place it back in the deck here. I am going to come up with your card. And even to make it harder, I'm gonna put it behind my back as I do this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna come up with your card. Okay, I'm gonna have your card here, facing up. Tell me when you see it.
I see it.
Is it the 7 of diamonds?
Yes.
It's the 7 of diamonds.
You did a good job. That was awesome. Ben, thank you again for having us. You were absolutely fantastic. The magic went well. You got to practice it a lot, but I think you're doing pretty good so far. Awesome, man. Thank you.
Thanks so much for coming.